In today's video, we're going to take a normal image of one of the most famous anime characters and use AI to convert it into a proper 3D model. And bro, this is not going to be just any normal 3D model. We're going to turn it into a proper 3D model that you can use in your games, animations, or any 3D project. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how you can convert any normal photo or character image into a 3D model exactly like this. And the best part is, you don't need any 3D modeling experience for this, because normally, to create a 3D model, you have to do a lot of work manually in software like Blender. But this AI tool does a huge part of that work for you with just a single click. That's why I'm going to show you every single step in a very simple way. So even if you've never created a 3D model before, you'll still be able to create your own 3D model by the end of this video. So, without wasting any time, let's see how easily a normal image can be converted into a 3D model. First, go to Google, search for Trippo AI, and sign up on this website. Or you can also go directly to it using the link given in the description. As soon as you come to the homepage, you'll see two options here. The high detail model on the left generates a 3D model with more detail, whereas the Smart Mesh option on the right slightly optimizes the model and generates a clean and lightweight model. So, if you want a more detailed model, you can select High Detail Model, and if you want a clean and lightweight model, you can use the Smart Mesh option.
Now, as you scroll down, you'll also see some AI models that were created with the help of this same AI tool. As soon as I click on Character here, you'll only see Character 3D models below. Now, if you want, you can click on any of these models and work with them, or you can click on Export to download them as well. Alright bro, enough talking. Now let me practically show you how to convert any normal image into a 3D model. For this, I'll click on Smart Topology Mesh. Now, if you don't have an image of a character, you don't need to switch to another AI tool to generate one. Because right here, you'll find the image option, where you can generate your character's image using a text prompt. Let's say I'm writing a prompt for my character here. Now below, you'll find several AI models that you can use to generate the image, such as GPT Image, Nano Banana, and Midjourney. For now, I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro. After that, set the aspect ratio and number of images according to your preference, and now simply click on Generate. Within just a few seconds, your images will be ready. Now, if you want, you can also upscale the image to 4K right here or generate multiple shots of the same image. But for now, we'll click on Smart Topology Mesh. Now, you'll find the Topology option below. Here, set the poly count to the maximum. After that, set the model to P2 from the option below because it gives a really good output. Now, just click on Generate and wait for a little while. And look at that! Within just a few seconds, your normal image has been converted into a highly detailed 3D model. And that's not all. Down here, you can use shading to change the colors of your model. You can also turn the wireframe on or off according to your preference. Wireframe basically helps you clearly see the structure and shape of your model. And if you want to make your model look even more realistic, you can click on the texture option on the side. Now, when you click on None, you'll see a variety of different style options, but I'd recommend leaving everything as it is and keeping None selected. The reason is that None gives the 3D model a more natural look, with clean colors and detailed textures without adding any unnecessary styling. Now, set the texture resolution to 8K. This will significantly improve the texture quality and bring out much more detail in your 3D model. Trippo does a really great job with 8K textures, especially compared to many other 3D generation tools. Once you've done that, just click Generate and let Trippo create your 3D model. Now let me show you how you can convert any 2D cartoon image into a 3D model with just a single click. For this, go back to the homepage and click on the High Detailed Model option. Since I already have the character image ready, I don't need to generate a new image here. I'll simply upload my image. After that, you'll find the Generate Multi-View option here, so I'll click on it. What this does is Trippo AI will generate 3 to 4 different angles of your image. This helps the AI understand the character from every side, which could make the final 3D model even better. Now, once the multi-view images are generated, you'll find the Geometry and Texture option below. As soon as you click on it, you'll get even more settings to customize the quality of your 3D model. First, set the quality to 8K. But before saving the settings, there's one more thing you should definitely check. Set the poly count to maximum so the AI can add as much detail to the model as possible. Now, when you click on AI models, you'll see all of the available models here. Among them, version 3.1 is the most powerful model, so for now, I'll select this one. Now that all the settings are done, simply click Generate. And now, just wait for a little while. And look at that! In just a short time, AI will convert our normal 2D image into a proper high-quality 3D model. And if you were to manually create this exact same model, it could take you 4 to 5 days or even longer without proper 3D modeling skills. But look at this! With just a few clicks, your 3D model is ready, and you didn't even have to do any 3D modeling yourself. And just look at the model. Look at how accurately it converts this normal 2D character into a proper 3D model. But there's one more interesting thing I want to show you here. I used the same image in 2 other trending software tools and generated a 3D model of the same character with both of them. And now you can see the results of all 3 right in front of you. Honestly, I personally found the detailing in Trippo AI to be much better. Even the small details of the character have been generated quite clearly here, whereas personally, I didn't find the details in the other 2 tools to be as impressive. But there's still one more interesting feature left to check out. Down below, you'll find shading options that let you view the model in different ways. But if you click on segmentation, you can divide your single 3D model into different parts. Here, you'll get 3 options. If you select Simple, it'll create around 3 to 6 parts. In Balanced mode, you'll get around 6 to 15 parts. And Detailed mode performs the most detailed segmentation, where it can create more than 15 parts. For now, I'll select Balanced and click on Start Segmenting. And look at that! Our entire character has now been segmented into different parts. So where the entire character was previously a single model, you can now work with its individual parts separately. And if you don't need a specific part, you can also delete it directly from here. This feature is useful when you want to further customize your 3D character for animation or game projects. But now there's one problem. How is this character actually going to move? And this is exactly where Trippo AI's animation feature comes in. You don't need to open any separate animation software or deal with complicated settings. You can do this entire process right here. Click on the Animate option on the side. Now here you'll find the AI Model option, which gives you 2 different versions. Version 1 is for human characters, while version 2 is designed for animals. Since we're working with Luffy here, I'll select version 1. Now below, you'll find a bunch of ready-made animation actions. This means you don't have to create the movement yourself, just select any action according to your character. For now, I'll select this one. Now click on Auto Rig. And that's it. Just wait for a little while. Within just a few seconds, AI will automatically rig your 3D character and apply the selected movement as well. Our static 3D character is now properly animated. Normally, to animate a 3D character, you first have to create a bones and rigging setup inside the character and then set up its movements. But here, I didn't have to do any of that manually. And once the animation is ready, you can also export your 3D model directly from here. But so far, we've only seen this process with a relatively simple character. But the real fun begins when you start converting complex images into 3D. While exploring this tool, I also tried some pretty complex images, like this creature. In the normal image, it looked this complicated, but Trippo AI converted it into a proper 3D model with just a few clicks. And look at this as well. Apart from this, I tested quite a few other complex objects too, and they were also converted into 3D models in the same way. And honestly, that's what I find most interesting about this tool. You're not limited to just characters, you can convert almost any type of image into a 3D model and continue working with it. So if you want to enter the world of 3D animation without professional 3D modeling skills, or if you want to save a lot of time and manual effort, Trippo AI is definitely worth trying. Because there are plenty of AI 3D tools available in the market, but what's interesting about Trippo is that the workflow doesn't end after simply generating a 3D model. You can handle multiple steps on a single platform, including 3D generation, smart mesh, textures, segmentation, rigging, and animation. And if you want to try it yourself, the Trippo AI invite link is given in the description. If you sign up using that link, you'll get 500 bonus credits. And if you want to get the Pro plan, use the code TRIPPOCREW at checkout. This will give you 60% off your first month, which means you can get the Pro plan for less than $8. So the link is in the description and the code is TRIPPOCREW. And if you create something interesting with Trippo AI, definitely let me know in the comments. I want to see what you created too.